So where is the roaming setting on your iPhone? Where can you find that? So you open up the settings app on your device and you want to tap on the cellular. So you are on the main page and below the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth in the connectivity section, you can find cellular. And in there, you need to choose the SIM card which you want to turn on the roaming for if you have dual SIM. So you get in there and you have the ability to see data roaming directly at the bottom of the page. There is just one toggle for it, so you can enable it or disable it, which essentially means that you can turn on the international data or having access to the internet when you are abroad using this toggle. What's also cool to know about is the network selection menu. This can be set to automatic, but I don't like it that way. Automatic network selection essentially means that whenever you get abroad, you will be automatically connected to a new network, and perhaps you may not want to do that for certain SIM cards. So I like to choose the network manually whenever I, for example, land in a new country. I like to change it on my own. So these are the iPhone settings. On the other hand, it is a good idea to get in touch with your carrier as they might have different ways to enable it too. Like you can turn it on or off on your device, but some different rates and different settings might apply within your carrier. So you need to get in touch with them, perhaps download their app and then log in and see what options you have in there as well. So yeah, these are the ways how you can find the roaming settings on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching. For more direct and straight to the topic tutorials, subscribe to Foxtecc and I'll see you in the next video.